Hi everybody and welcome to the Happy Camper. Look where I am. Peanut and I are taking you for a drive. So let's go. If the windows weren't down, I'd be locked out of the car right now because he just locked the doors. Yes, he did. So let's look at this spectacular beauty. I am literally shocked at what I'm seeing. I did not expect to see this much fall colors when I got up here today. This is incredible. Okay, I've just gotten back in the car and we've got raindrops on the windshield outside. There's Peanut. All right, let's hit it.
Got 'em in Wyoming, Montana's got its best. Seen 'em here in other places, out here in the West. Roping cows and branding calves, riding buck and bronze. It's a real joy to see a real cowboy, even in the honky tonks. Whoopie-tie, old cowboy, riding the range. Whoopie-tie, old cowboy, I hope that you don't change. Cowboy breed is fading, it's nearly gone for good. Urban nights and drugstores and the ones from Hollywood. If they really knew the way it was, they'd surely change their ways, 'cause there ain't no stopping a real cowboy, just like the good old days. Whoopie-tie, old cowboy, no room for fame. Whoopie-tie, old cowboy, nobody knows your name.
Look at him following the dog. Look at him.
I've told my story, I hope you understand that a real cowboy's the real McCoy, and we all think he's grand. Rest of you I've spoken of, don't even try to see you try to be something you ain't. Well, it just makes me cry. Whoopie-tie, oh cowboy, riding the range. Whoopie-tie, oh cowboy, nobody knows your name. Whoopie-tie, oh cowboy, riding the range. Whoopie-tie, oh cowboy,
Rattle living at its finest.
you're trying your last.
There's the cow doggies. There's the cow doggies. And the cowboys and the cow doggies. Okay, there's the canyon over there. That's Black Canyon National Park. Love that tree. Peanut and I are outside taking a look at this beauty that we see before us. It's getting chilly. Isn't this gorgeous? I gave Peanut a pretzel stick before we got out of the car, and I told him we were getting out of the car. He took the pretzel stick and he laid it down in his seat, and then he just sat there and stared at me like, okay, when are we getting out of the car? Well, we just got back in the car and he just devoured his pretzel stick that he left for his treat when we got back in the car. He is too smart, I swear. Okay, back to the beauty before us. So I can get this. This is part of Black Canyon National Park, but I'm not in the park, I'm outside of the park, but this is part of the canyon. Coming around the cement pylon, all the wires, bringing electricity to and from the populous. Look at all this red over here. It's so pretty. I can hear the hum from the electric. Lots of power right here. Ladies and gentlemen, this is where the trip ends, and I turn around and head back. That is a reservoir down there. That's the rest area that I was just in, and it was too crowded, so right outside of there was a place to pull over. And now we can see the lake. I see deer. Those are my hazard signals because I'm just pulled off the road.